Hello there, and thank you for joining me today. Today, I have a short Qigong session for you to celebrate the Earth Day. The main goal is to join our forces to take care of our planet and make it a better place for us to live. As you can see, I'm going to be practicing bare feet. If you have this opportunity, I encourage you to do the same thing, or if you can, just go out in nature, connect to the energy around you, connect to the energy of the earth, and I hope you'll feel better by the end of the session. Don't forget, if you enjoy longer routines or you prefer to watch the videos advertising free, you can always join my membership site at any time with a few simple steps via the website. I'm gonna put more information for you in the description below. Go ahead and get ready, and let's begin. We're going to begin in a standing position. Bring your feet a little bit wider than your shoulders. I want you to find your center and get grounded through your feet. Spread your toes, distribute your weight evenly by dropping your tailbone down between your feet, relaxing through your hips and giving way in your knees. Keep your back nice and straight, your shoulders relaxed. We begin with a twist and turn exercise. Keep your feet rooted into the ground. There is not a lot of movement in your knees either. Find your center, find stability and strength through your lower body. At the same time, begin to release and soften through your torso, through your upper back and your arms. Allow yourself to combine the hard and the soft. Strong, solid foundation through your feet. Relaxed and soft through your upper body. Your hands are gently brushing your body, roughly lengthening across the abdomen and the lower back. That provides a good stimulation to vital internal organs and acupressure points located there. Keep this movement nice and pleasant. Feel yourself relaxing and letting go every time you turn. Feel more and more grounded through your feet. Very good. Begin to slow it down naturally whenever your body is feeling relaxed. From here, gently rotate your palms facing the sky. On an inhale, raise to shoulder height. Feel yourself lengthening through your spine. Feel yourself lifting and opening. Then turn your palms down and let's ground the energy. Bringing your hands slower to the ground, sinking the way down. Inhale, raise up towards the sun. Exhale, sink it down. This exercise is called Lotus Growing through the mud. It's very appropriate. You can use that mental image to help you connect to the energy of the earth, to help you relax deeper into your body, activating your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Gathering the good chi around you. Exhale, releasing something that is no longer serves you. Inhale, exhale. Continue following your own breathing pattern, staying true to your breath. Feel yourself rooting through your feet. Feel yourself connecting to the energy of the earth. And feel that energy nourishing and supporting you. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Breathe in. Allow the energy to fill up all the way to the top. Exhale, sinking down. Then keeping your hands parallel. Inhale, raise up. Open your hands to the side, stretching in opposite directions. Exhale, sink it down. Find your momentum here. Breathe in as you open. Breathe out as you soften. Inhale. Exhale. Inhaling the good. Exhale old, stagnant, gray chi. Inhale. Exhale. Continue restoring and replenishing your own reserves. There is a tremendous amount of energy all around us, especially in nature. Be able to relax and quiet the mind will begin the healing from within. Tapping into our breath is another way to heal ourselves. Breathing in nature, moving gently. It's one of those lifelong combinations to keep you healthy. Very good. One more time. Draw the energy in through your feet. Open and soften. The knees stay straight. Relax your entire body. We're going to finish by standing like a pine tree. A tree pose meditation. Keep yourself nice and rooted, nice and aligned, open and spacious. Take a moment to deepen your breath. Let your breath travel all the way down to your belly. Then slowly bring your hands near your abdomen. This is a closing form to accumulate the energy in your energy center. And close your hands. Bring your feet together. You can take a moment here to notice how you feel. If your head feels clear, if your heart feels at peace, if your whole body feels nice and balanced. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you do feel good. And at the end of the session, stay well, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for joining me today. If you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button on the screen to make sure you don't miss any future videos or live streams. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep well, and I'll see you soon.